So today we're going to be doing implicit differentiation with chain rule twice. So for part A, we're going to have to find dy dx. B, we're going to have to find the slope of the curve at the indicated points, negative 7, 4. C, we're going to have to find the slope of the tangent line at negative 7, 4. So to find dy dx, we have to have an equation. So for A, it is x minus 1 parentheses squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 1. So we're going to have to do chain rule for x minus 1 squared and y minus 1 squared. So first we're going to do x minus 1 squared. So the inside is x minus 1. The outside is parentheses squared. Now we're going to have to do the inside prime and the outside prime of these. So inside prime would be equal to 1. Outside prime would be 2 parentheses, because you take the 2 and you put it in front. Now we're going to have to do chain rule for y minus 1 squared. So inside equals y minus 1. Outside would equal parentheses squared. Now do the inside and outside prime. Inside prime would be dy dx. And outside prime would be 2 parentheses like last time. So now we're going to have to put this together. First you have to do inside prime, so 1 times 2 1 times 2 parentheses, and then the inside in the parentheses, so x minus 1 parentheses plus inside prime, which would be dy dx, times 2, which would be outside prime, and then the inside, which would be y minus 1. And that all equals 0, because the 1 turns to 0. So now we're going to have to simplify. What would be 2x minus 1 plus dy dx times 2 y minus 1 equals 0. So now we're going to subtract 2x minus 1, subtract from each side. And we're going to simplify this, so we take out the dy dx and put it in the back. So 2y minus 1 dy dx equals negative 2 parentheses x minus 1. So now we're going to divide by 2y minus 1 on each side, which would give us dy dx equals negative 2x minus 1 over 2y minus 1. We can simplify this by taking out the 2's, so cross them out, which would give us negative x minus 1 over y minus 1. So this is the answer to part A. So now for part B, we have to find the curve at the indicated points. So B, we have negative 7, 4. So now we have to plug in our x and y values into the equation, which would give us negative 7 minus 1 over 4 minus 1, which would equal 8 over 5, because you distribute the negative into that there, which would give us the slope of the curve. So that is the answer to part B. And for C, we have to find the slope of the tangent line at negative 7, 4. So the same as last time. So we have to use the equation y equals mx plus b. So our y is 4, and our slope is 8 over 5, and our x value is negative 7, plus b. So 8 over 5 times negative 7 is negative 56 over 5 plus b, which all equals 4. So now we have to add 56 over 5 onto each side, which would give us the answer of b equals 76 over 5. So that's b. So now we have to put it into the equation. So y equals 8 over 5x plus 76 over 5. And that is your answer.